.38 Special's been around since 1898, 357 Magnum since 1935, but I personally don't know a whole lot about them. I've got the Henry Big Boy revolver and Henry Big Boy 16-inch carbine. I want to chronograph all of these loads through both guns, if they run in both guns, and figure out what kind of energy differences we get between the two. You notice I've got a few matched pairs there. The Liberty Civil Defense, Hornady Critical Defense, the Winchester Defender, and the Federal Hydroshock, as well as some other randoms thrown in there. This video will be one of those tests. If you want the full data comparison, head on over to my website, gbgunsdepot.youknowtherest. Armscor 158 grain 38 Special. This is along the lines of what Henry recommends for the Big Boy 16-inch carbine. What kind of energy do we get out of it? I'm curious to see. I also want to see how that compares to the Big Boy revolver previously shot. Today we're filming the chronographing of those rounds. At this particular range setup, I can't necessarily put the camera on a target and the chrono at the same time. The data is more important than my marksmanship anyways. Let's see how we do. .783, 749, 739, 756, and 765. Also a very soft shooting load in the Henry. You guys are seeing the numbers as far as what kind of energy that produces. I'm curious to see. Part of this point of this test is to see, do some of these loads get too tired before the end of 16 inches versus they do out of a revolver. If you want to see that comparison and that information, check the pinned comment or head on over to my website, GB Guns Depot. Thanks.